Hello math students. Today you are going to need to pause this video. You are going to need your math workbook that has a seahorse on the blue cover. You will need a pencil or a crayon. And then you will need to go down until it says page 7. So please go pause this video. Get everything you need to be a great math student today. All right, we are here on page 7 today. We are going to be matching the purple numbers on this side to the set of squares on the other side. We're going to connect them with a line. So you're going to be recognizing numbers and you're going to be finding the set that matches those numbers. So I'm going to get my tool here so we can do some matching together. The first thing we always do is put our name at the top. Name on your paper, first thing. So you need to be using your 3-finger pinch on your pencil or your crayon. That's your thumb, your pointer, and your tall man. Your other fingers are resting. That's what your finger pinch should look like. Now you're going to put your name on the top the kindergarten way. That means you have one capital letter and the rest are lowercase. I'm going to put my name. You put your name. Great. If you are still writing your name, pause the video. Otherwise, we're going to move on to looking at the purple numbers and finding the set, the group that matches. We're going to start at the top with the number 1. Clap 1 time. Now we're going to draw a line from the number 1 to 1 square. See if you can find it before I do, and draw a line connecting them. So we have matched the number 1 or the numeral 1 with 1 square. Now we're going to move down to number 2. Click your tongue 2 times. We're going to match the number 2 to the set or group of 2 squares by drawing a line. See if you can do that. Next, we're going to head down to number 3. You can snap or finger clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. We're going to match the purple 3 to 3 squares. Find the set that shows 3. 3. Now we've done 1, 2, 3. We're moving down to 4. Touch your chin 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to match the number 4, the numeral 4, to the 4 squares or group of 4. See if you can find the group of 4 squares. It's smart to do your careful counting with your 1-to-1 touch and make sure you are correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to move down to number 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's clap 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to draw a connecting line from the number 5, the numeral 5, to the group of 5 squares. Count and make sure you found 5 squares. Super. super. You did a great job on the front side of this paper. Please turn to the back. What purple number do you see at the top? 4. Show me 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. The directions say ring groups of 4. And then we're also going to cross them out if they're not 4. Circle groups of 4 and cross them out if it's not 4. We are going to do careful touch counting for each group, each set, to see if it makes 4. 4 can look different ways. 4 can look like this. 4 could look like this. 4 could look like this. But they're all groups of 4. Let's careful count and circle if it is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should we ring it or cross it out? Awesome. Ring the group of 4. Let's move to the middle. Careful counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should we ring it or cross it out? Yes, that is a way to make 4. Let's move to the next group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh. Should we ring it or cross it out? Is that a group of 4? That's 5. That's a group of 5. Cross it out. That doesn't match our purple number tile. Let's move down to the next group. 1, 2, 3, 4. What should we do? Ring it or cross it out? Awesome. Ring it. That's another way to make 4. Let's move over to the next group. 2, 3. 3? What should we do? Ring it or cross it out? Cross it out. It's not 4. It's a group of 3. It does not match our number tile. Good. We're going to move down to the bottom. And you're going to draw some small pictures that match the number. So here's the number 3. And here's the number 5. You need to draw something small that will fit in that area. Something small like circles, stars, hearts, smiley faces, triangles. Something small that can fit in that little space. I'm going to make 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. I made 3 items to match the number 3. I made them small so they can fit in my space. Now I have to think of something for a group of 5. Think of something that you can draw that's small for a group of 5. I think I'll do 5 smiley faces this time. I need to do careful counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I made a group of 5 smiley faces to match the number 5. Awesome! So now, friends, I'm going to explain this page to you so that you will be able to do that now when Mrs. Matter's video is done. On page 5, you have your very own purple number cards and squares. You need a scissors to very slowly and carefully cut these items out. Then you'll be able to use them to help you with math. So you'll cut around the edges very slowly and carefully. Then cut them into strips slowly and carefully. And then you'll cut them apart on the little dotted lines, slowly and carefully, holding your scissors the way you should in kindergarten, with your thumb up, your strong fingers in the bottom section, with the scissors pointing away from you, eating the lines on paper only. Then, friends, you'll be able to use your purple numbers and your squares to practice making groups and sets. You can lay your purple cards in order. You should, like the number parade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lay them out in your number parade. You can take a purple card like 5 and then find 5 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to make a group. Could pull out the number 6 and take 6 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to practice making groups and to practice putting your purple numbers in order. I'm going to say those directions one more time. Cut very carefully all your purple numbers and all your squares. Put your numbers in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pick a number and use the squares to make a group. Cut, order, make groups. Cut, numbers, in order, make groups. Thanks, math thinkers.